Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Louis. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful hairstyle. So I'll be giving you guys like easy step on how to achieve it. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So we're going to start off by doing a middle part. So then after that I'm going to section the hair just as seen in the video and then tease that part. So this spray I'm using right here is the Ultra Hold spray. So I'm just going to take out two parts directly from the one in front because I'll be curling it. So I'm just going to section this one behind into two and hold them each with a rubber band. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. So I'm just going to pull out the hair just as seen in the video just to give it a little twist. So up next, I'm just going to pass them in between and then use my bobby pins to then secure it down. So now the remaining one, I'm just going to twist it and then tuck it into it. So moving on to the front, I'm just gonna comb it and then get my curler and curl it. So now I'm going to get this accessory from Arosa to beautify or to accentuate the look. I hope this video was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to like this video, like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. So is there anything you'd want to see here on my channel? Is there any hairstyle you'd want me to recreate? Please leave it in the comments below or send me a DM on Instagram. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been supporting this channel. You guys are doing amazingly well. So I want to say a big thank you once again. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.